Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Do you want to encourage your customers to make purchases on your website? Well, the best way is to have a loyalty program, and that's where WooRewards plugin comes in. So let's now just dive right into it and explore the plugin to its fullest. So this is the backend of the mystery shop and the plugin WooRewards by Longwatch Studio, and we've got here some loyalty programs, and let's first of all explore them and see what kind of actions and reward systems do we have here. So the first one is the holy loyalty, and let's go deeper. So we can see the actions here and the actions to perform. For example, they need to spend money. They for example need to buy some products and they will get this point. They need to, for example, visit some pages to earn points, and here we can also see the points here and their equivalent of dollars. Here we can also add our lines here and actions specifically that meet our specific business needs. And then here we have the levels and rewards. So if they have 500, then it's the breath of God and they can get 5% discount. If they have 2,500, then they will have 15% discount, and so on and so on. Let's now go to the other one and see the actions and rewards there. It is called the rings. And here we have the actions to perform product review. We have the birthday reward system. We have spend money, and we have referee registration. So if you refer to some other friends or etc. And here we have the rewards. We have the point value and the equivalent in dollars. We have the minimum points usage and maximum points usage, lower cart limit, and minimum cart amount. So let's now go to the front end and buy something and see how it works there. And here is our mystery shop. Let's now go and see some mysteries. So here we have the mystery product, and if we buy it, we will have too many points. So let's add this to cart and proceed to victory, aka our checkout page. And here you can see that our points are displayed right here, and it says loyalty rings discount, so it's the equivalent, and it says the points that I will earn, etc. So these are due to the shortcuts that we have in the backend of WooRewards. So here are plenty of shortcut types that you can use them, each for different purposes. For example, if you want to show your customers their balance, then you can use this shortcut. If you want to show them how they can earn points, then you can display this shortcut on a different page. You can have this shortcut for showing them the value of their points that they have, and many more here. I also wanted to mention that this whole website is by Longwatch Studio, and this is the demo of WooRewards, and you can find the link in the description below, so you can go there and explore the endless possibilities that this plugin has for you. So you have access both to the front end, as you see, and you can also go to the dashboard, go to WooRewards, and make your configurations here and also display it in the front end. What I also noticed about WooRewards is that there is documentation after each blog that they have on WooRewards backend, so you can just simply click on them and it will open the section that you are clicking on immediately. So you've got everything you need to guide you through this whole process of creating your loyalty program and systems, the actions, the awards and tutorials, the features, everything that you might need to guide you in this. Did you think that was it? Of course not. If you visit Longwatch Studio's website, here you can see that they've got other various very useful plugins, which by the way can work in tandem with their play together feature. So you can get the best use of these plugins together and you can combine them. They've got this virtual wallet, so you can combine it with WooRewards. They've got these VIP memberships, referral codes, everything that you might need to get the perfect experience with your WooCommerce. And that's it about WooRewards, the plugin that will help you boost your sales. And if you've still got any questions concerning the plugin, don't forget to drop them in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.